never met no one who talk like that. And if you hang up on a nigga, bitch, I call right back. Roll my windows up, dollar rolling windows up. Biscuit ass niggas want.
For a good cheese pool. Let's try out cheese Korean corn dogs. Potato, ramen, hot Cheetos, and Takis. Let's try this patty out and see which one's the best for me. Spicy mayo. God. If you guys didn't know, I'm literally a whore for a cheese pull, so hopefully this one gives a good one. Ooh, coochie wet for reggae. This patty has a nice coat of ramen. Like, the coochie wet right. I also forgot to add, it has a nice layer of powdered sugar. I'm obsessed. I honestly feel like the powdered sugar kind of like gives that salty and sweet vibe, which I love. Hot Cheetos next. I'm scared because I'm the type of bitch that can't handle spicy. This is actually not that spicy at all, and I literally can't handle any spices. Now let's get into the Takis. Dip her in some spicy mayo. Ooh. Okay, queens, let's go in for round 2. I'm really trying to get that cheese pool. I had to choose. This hot Cheeto one is literally my favorite. Very spicy. You'll love it.
Big activities. Korean corn dogs. I would argue that there's not many things better in the world than a Korean corn dog. Let's take it to a whole new level with some cheesy tteokbokki. Oh yeah. Original Korean corn dog. Busting all over my face and mouth. The 4-cheese corn dog. So much cheese. And here comes the wiener to ruin the party. Potato corn dog. Crunchy. I'm saving half of the corn dogs. My fiance would kill me if I ate them all myself. Original corn dog covered in sugar, as if it wasn't already enough. The sugar really brings the boom. Sweet potato corn dog.
I got me some Korean corn dogs. I gotta wear cheese at the top and then beef at the bottom. And then I got some ranch. Ooh. This one is a churro dog. Oh, this is good. I got these from Chicago Ridge Mall from Corn Dog. And this is my first time ever getting the actual cheese pool, so I'm amazed right now. Go ahead, take your bite. This is the perfect amount of sweet and savory. The crunch on this is perfect. Yeah.
This is a 10 out of 10. It's so good. The spicy dog and the potato one are definitely the best. They're so good.
Today we have Korean corn dogs. This is my first time trying a Cheeto dust corn dog. Let's have a bite. That was so good. I was not expecting it to be this good. Oh my gosh, the cheese. She stuffed this. My pants are full of Cheeto dust. This is really so good. Now the potato one that we all know and love.
It's finally my turn. I am so excited. Do y'all know how long I've been waiting for this? It's been a long time coming, but I finally got my Korean corn dog. Y'all see this? Oh, I'm about to just go for it. Here we go. Hold on now. My cheese was supposed to do that little, you know what I'm saying? It was supposed to like, that just came straight out. And then my dog is like, and where's the crunch? Because I need a redo. Hold on. Okay, third time the charm. Let's see. But as far as taste, it's pretty good. But satisfaction, I'm gonna have to give you a 0. So disappointed, Pookie. Like I thought we, what's up? Okay, let's try this one, y'all. Let's see. Go ahead. Okay. The crunch is there. Let's just see about this cheese. Hold on, here we go. It also came with some tater tots, loaded tater tots. I have a little faith, not really. Let's see. I'm disgusted. I'm out.
today I have Korean corn dogs. This is their new bulldog ramen corn dog. I mean, look at how beautiful that is. That is so good. They literally just dunked this in the bulldog sauce. Y'all, I literally never film in the car, and this is why. If y'all know me, you know I love bulldog ramen, so this gets a 10 out of 10. Next up is the potato corn dog. This one has potato chunks all over it. Cheers. This one has the perfect crunch. I'm in love with the texture. It is a little heavy though, so I give this an 8 out of 10. And to finish this meal off, a sweet treat. It has M&Ms all over it. Cheers. Okay, y'all, here's the reveal. I literally have my mic just like dangling from my wheel and like, I don't even know. All right, I'm gonna go home and clean up.
Today we have lunch from OK Dog. I skipped breakfast for this. I have 4 K-Dogs. We have a hot Cheetos and a Takis one. And you guys know that those are the best anyway. Most intrigued by the sweet potato K-Dog and the squid ink K-Dog. Let's go in for the sweet potato one first. True sweet potatoes. I'm praying for a cheese pull. One more bite. Sweet and savory. What more can you ask for? It's actually really good, guys. That's so different. It doesn't even need any sauce. But I have some cheese mustard here, some hot sauce, and then some garlic sauce. It's like having a spicy sweet potato. I'm highly impressed with this one. This is my all-time favorite, the hot Cheetos one. It's so good. Let's dip it in some cheese mustard. And this one has regular cheddar cheese inside of it. I've actually never seen a K-Dog have cheddar cheese inside. I forgot how good the cheese mustard was. I know you all are curious about the squid ink one. Doesn't that look so cool? It looks like a squid. Almost. One more bite. It's crunchy, sweet, savory, hoping for a cheese pull. I feel like it would be good with the garlic one just because I feel like it could balance the sugar. I'm convinced any of these sauces could make it taste 10 times better, but they're still good on their own. This is so different and I love it. Get some of the tail. If you can't tell, my taste buds were on the adventurous side today. The Taki flavored one. I forgot to mention that there's a rice cake inside. A giant rice cake. That is so neat. I don't know if it's because I'm that hungry or they're just that good. I'm gonna go with both.
Ranking every flavor of Korean corn dog. Merry Christmas, everyone. Let's rank every Korean corn dog I could find. Potato and sugar covered mozzarella corn dog. Let's get some ketchup on it. Sugar on these makes them taste so much better. Ramen sugar covered mozzarella corn dog. Cheese mustard. Wow. That is a whole other level of crispy. Original sugar covered Korean corn dog. Basic and easy to eat. Maybe a little too basic. 4 cheese Korean corn dog. As if 1 cheese wasn't enough. Never mind, 1 cheese wasn't enough. This is really good. Garlic crouton Korean corn dog. My breath is gonna stink. It's a nice change of pace. And for dessert, this fish is sucking a corn dog. Filled with cheese, of course.
No one who talk like that. And if you hang up on a nigga, bitch, I call right back. Roll my windows up, dollar rolling windows up, biscuit ass.